Hello peoples, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Raj King. Today I am going to tell you about affiliate marketing. So let's start. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company. Understanding affiliate marketing. The internet has increased the prominence of affiliate marketing. Amazon, AMZN, popularized the practice by creating an affiliate marketing program whereby websites and bloggers put links to the Amazon page for a reviewed or discussed product to receive advertising fees when a purchase is made. In this sense, affiliate marketing is essentially a pay-for-performance marketing program where the act of selling is outsourced across a vast network. An e-commerce merchant wanting to reach a wider base of internet users and shoppers may hire an affiliate. An affiliate could be the owner of multiple websites or email marketing lists. The more websites or email lists that an affiliate has, the wider its network. The hired affiliate then communicates and promotes the products offered on the e-commerce platform to their network. The affiliate does this by running banner ads, text ads, or links on its websites or sending email to clientele. Firms use advertisements in the form of articles, videos, and images to draw an audience's attention to a service or product. Types of affiliate marketing. There are three main types of affiliate marketing: unattached affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing, and involved affiliate marketing. Point 1. Unattached affiliate marketing. This is an advertising model in which the affiliate has no connection to the product or service they are promoting. They have no known related skills or expertise and do not serve as an authority on or make claims about its use. This is the most uninvolved form of affiliate marketing. The lack of attachment to the potential customer and product absolves the affiliate from the duty to recommend or advise. Related affiliate marketing. As the name suggests, related affiliate marketing involves the promotion of products or services by an affiliate with some type of relationship to the offering. Generally, the connection is between the affiliate's niche and the product or service. The affiliate has enough influence and expertise to generate traffic, and their level of authority makes them a trusted source. The affiliate, however, makes no claims about the use of the product or service. Involved affiliate marketing. This type of marketing establishes a deeper connection between the affiliate and the product or service they're promoting. They have used or use the product and are confident that their positive experiences can be shared by others. Their experiences are the advertisements, and they serve as trusted sources of information. On the other hand, because they're providing recommendations, their reputation may be compromised with any problems arising from the offering. How does affiliate marketing work? There are a lot of different ways to track affiliates these days, but all are based on someone clicking your special tracking link. The most common and basic type of tracking is via a cookie. When an affiliate link is clicked, a small file called a cookie is stored on the user's computer. Then they buy a product, the merchant can see that they were referred by you. There are also more advanced methods based on the email used or IP address, but we won't get into those here. We'll stick to the. To simplify it, here's the 5-step process for how to start affiliate marketing. Number 1, you find a product you want to promote. Number 2, do a search for product name, affiliate program. If it's on Amazon, you can also promote it. Number 3, sign up for their affiliate program. Number 4, you get a special link that allows the merchant to track the people who clicked your link. Number 5, if they buy the product, you get a commission. Pretty simple, right? It can get much more advanced, but in this post, we're just going to start with the fundamentals and get you to the point where you're ready to make your first commission. If you like my video, then subscribe to channel, so that you do not miss any of my videos. Thank you.